50g cake flour, 3 egg whites, 3 egg yolk, corn oil 30g, heat up to 72 centigrade, cocoa powder 10g, sieve cake flour 50g, whisk well to combine, milk 50g, whisk to combine, add egg yolk 1 by 1, whisk to combine, cover and set aside. Take the egg white from the freezer. Add a few drops lemon juice. Whisk low until bubbles. Add sugar. Whisk until it has an angle. Put 1/3 egg white into egg batter. Cut and fold. Pour back to meringue. Gently cut and fold. Preheat oven 30 minutes before baking. Pour batter into the mold. Use a stick to right reset to avoid holes after baking. Strike the mold. (125°C 30 minutes, followed by 145°C 30 minutes. Put upside down. Take off the baking paper. Until completely cool down, then slice 3 pieces. Here is the Chocolate Chantilly for your reference. I wish you all like this recipe. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.